Hi, everyone. In today's video, I'll be showing you how to change your email address on Amazon. If you're looking to update the email linked to your Amazon account, here's how to do it step by step. First, open a web browser and go to Amazon.com. Once you're on the site, click on Sign In at the top and log into your account. After logging in, click on your name at the top, then scroll down and click on See All next to the Your Account section. Next, scroll down and select Login and Security. Under this section, find your current email address and click Edit. Enter the new email address you'd like to use, then click Continue. Amazon will send a verification code to your new email. Check your inbox for the code. For example, it might look like 708874. Enter it on the Amazon page and click Continue. After that, you'll be prompted to enter your Amazon account password. Once you've done that, click Save Changes, and your email address will be successfully updated. If you found this video helpful, don't forget to like and subscribe for more useful tutorials.